Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're looking at a little gem designed to make your tabletop cleaning easier. The Wrapables Animal Mini Tabletop Vacuum Cow Edition. This cute and compact vacuum is specifically built to tackle small messes on your desk or table, whether it's crumbs, dust, or those pesky pencil shavings. If you're the type who wants a quirky but efficient way to keep your workspace neat, this might just be what you need. First things first, let's go over the basics. The Wrapables Animal Mini Vacuum is exactly what it sounds like: small, portable, and functional. It's designed to clean small messes like crumbs, eraser bits, and dust without needing to haul out a full-sized vacuum. At a glance, it looks more like a cute novelty item, but it does have a practical side to it as well. This tabletop vacuum is powered by a small motor, allowing it to suck up debris off your desk without much effort. The design itself is charming, with its cow motif, and it's light enough to carry around or store in a drawer without taking up too much space. Now, let's dive into how it performs in real life. The Wrapables Animal Mini Vacuum's performance really shines in those moments when you need quick cleanups between meetings or after a busy day at your desk. Its suction power is decent for a device of this size, but let's be clear, it's not going to replace your full-sized vacuum for big messes. It's more about convenience than raw power. The vacuum is best for lightweight debris like dust, pencil shavings, and crumbs, and it works best when the mess is on a flat, smooth surface. Its small size makes it ideal for desktops, coffee tables, or even kitchen counters. The vacuum is easy to use. Just press the button to start it up, and when you're done, simply turn it off and open the compartment to dump out the debris. It's very low maintenance and doesn't require a lot of cleaning, but it's a good idea to regularly check the filter and remove any blockages to keep it running smoothly. You won't be spending too much time on upkeep, which is a definite plus. The most important thing to understand about this vacuum is that it's not designed for deep cleaning or larger messes. The suction is suitable for light debris, but it won't lift pet hair or dirt from thick carpets, so don't expect it to do anything more than a quick tabletop cleanup. For those who want a tool for cleaning off crumbs and dust that accumulates from daily activities, it's a practical solution. In terms of ergonomics, the Wrapables Animal Mini Vacuum is easy to hold and maneuver. Its compact form makes it lightweight, and the handle is designed for comfortable use. Because it's small, it can easily fit into tight spaces, making it ideal for cleaning areas that larger vacuums would struggle to reach. However, you might find it a little awkward for larger surfaces, as you'll have to make multiple passes to cover a wider area. But given the intended use, that's a minor inconvenience for most people. When it comes to noise, the Wrapables Animal Mini Vacuum is relatively quiet. It's not silent, but the noise level is low enough that it won't disturb your work or conversations. If you're sensitive to sound, you'll appreciate this quiet operation. The design is fun and playful, which adds an element of charm to your desk. But let's be real, it's not the most serious-looking vacuum out there. Still, it does serve its purpose and could make a cute addition to your workspace. Now, let's talk about the overall value for money. At its price point, you're getting a practical, portable vacuum designed for small messes. If you're looking for something to clean your entire house, this isn't it. But if you're looking for a quick solution for crumbs, dust, and other small debris, then it's a solid choice. For the price, it provides a level of convenience and charm that larger vacuums can't match. Plus, the cow design makes it a bit of fun to use, especially if you like quirky animal-themed gadgets. However, if you need something with stronger suction power or more versatility, there are definitely more robust options out there. When comparing it to other mini vacuums on the market, the Wrapables Animal Mini Vacuum falls into the more novelty side of things. If you're looking for serious cleaning power, there are stronger handheld vacuums out there that would do a better job. But for its specific purpose, quick tabletop cleaning, it holds its own. In terms of build quality, the Wrapables Animal Mini Vacuum feels decent for what it is. The plastic construction is lightweight, but not flimsy. Given that it's designed for occasional use and not heavy-duty cleaning, the materials are perfectly adequate for the task. It should hold up well over time, but as with any small vacuum, make sure to treat it with care to prolong its lifespan. The maintenance is straightforward. Emptying the dustbin and cleaning the filter when needed will keep it running smoothly. The included instructions are simple and clear, making it easy for anyone to get started right away. If you've ever had to call customer support for this type of product, you may already know that it's a hit or miss experience, especially with more budget-friendly brands. Fortunately, the Wrapables Animal Mini Vacuum is easy enough to use that you likely won't need to rely on customer service much. The vacuum itself is low-tech, which means it doesn't require any complex setup or troubleshooting. As for any updates, this is a fairly straightforward product with no app integration, firmware updates, or smart features to speak of. It's a simple handheld vacuum, so there's nothing to worry about in terms of software issues or updates. To wrap it up, the Wrapables Animal Mini Tabletop Vacuum is a fun and practical tool for keeping your workspace clean with minimal effort. It's not going to replace your main vacuum cleaner, but for quick, small messes like crumbs and dust, it's highly effective. It's best suited for people who want a quick, easy, and cute way to clean their desk or table without much hassle. If you're into novelty items with a purpose, this vacuum fits that niche perfectly. If you're someone who needs a more powerful vacuum or wants something to clean your entire house, this won't do the trick. But if you're just looking to clean up after your workday or keep your desk tidy between meetings, it offers great value for its price. Plus, its unique design will definitely bring a smile to your face every time you use it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or if you own the Wrapables Animal Mini Tabletop Vacuum, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. You can find the link to grab one in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Until next time, keep your workspace tidy and your vacuum handy.